returning for the 19th season with Seattle.
Coach Cris Commentary. My topic, WNBA Seattle Storm Sue Bird. Oh man, she's returning for her 19th season with Seattle. All 19 seasons with the same team. Wow, that is special. Now, she's 41 years old, a 41-year-old point guard. She's a 4-time champion. So she's coming back, and like I said, to help this team go to another championship. And like I said, man, that is a strong player that can be on the same team for going on. There could be 19 seasons on the same team. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people like to jump around, but not Sue Bird. Sue Bird is a loyal basketball player. She loved where she at, and she put in that work. And I think this year she gonna go all out. Like I said, she can stay healthy, and she gonna help this team become a championship caliber team. And so once again, WNBA Seattle Storm Sue Bird, Coach Cris Commentary. I'm out.